Hello, hello. Let's go. Let's go. We help my friend, bro. Into this. We're getting secret portal. Yes. She asked me, I'm recording. Yes, I'm recording now. Yes. We try to get secret portal today, guys. Kaka-start niya lang, guys, kaya kaka-start niya lang kasi matagal na rin to, may isang buwan na ata to, guys, pero ayun, nag-grind pa rin. Yun, guys, natapos na namin. Matagal-tagal to dahil 1% lang. Next. Okay. Next. This is take a while, bro. This is take a while. Pero friend ko sa Discord, guys. Kaya she's all level 8. She's starting to play this game. She's one Gojo. Yeah. Maingay. Kung ano kayang gustong secret portal nito? Yes. Ayan. Okay. Bubuhatin natin siya for today's video. Kaya dapat hintay lang. See. Chat mo ko pag nakakuha ka ng kal dapat strongest close. Matagal-tagal na recording to, kaya wala magagawa. This is my first time, first time mag-record, guys. Sana hindi pangit yung audio. Tsaka yung edit ko, sana hindi pangit. Oh my god. Narinig kaya yung music nito. Masyado ata malakas sa yung sa okay, this is my second try. Let's go. Okay. Place my Sanjinwoo here. Place my Ichigo here. And Gojo here. And Sukuna here. I can place it, bro. Okay, this is. Ay, tas auto upgrade na natin ating Bulma to conquer this stage. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. This is his profile, guys. It's my friend's profile. I know it's not. Hindi ko pa pala siya friend. So friend ko muna pala. Add me, bro. Okay, that's okay now. That's fine now. Okay, now this is my friend accounts now. Okay? Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. That's my bad. Okay? Oh my godness, this take a while. Upgrade. Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na. Yoshi stuck. No way. Okay, let's go. Wah. Oh my god. Bring back memories, guys. You know, I play AA. I miss AA, guys. I miss AA. I wanna play again. Please, AA devs. Just come back the game, okay? Yo, my units like that. Now, I think I'm playing AA. Not that much. You know. But it's Yo! No way! No way! Nakakuha ko secret portal. Na. Yun guys, nakakuha ko secret portal. Di pa siya nakakuha, ako lang. Kaya mo, this take a while, bro. Yes, mahirap. Kainis daw. Hindi siya nakakuha. Bro, it's a 1%, you know. Okay. My Okay, this is getting excited, bro. I got something today. I think this is my 5th attempt, you know. This is my 5th attempt. I don't know. I forget. I want my friend to get secret portal. This is my friend, bro. Yeah, this is my friend. This is my friend. Okay, this is my friend. This is take a while. Oh my OMG. OMG guys. This take a while. tatanungin natin kung open na ba namin ang secret portal ko. Pwede. Guys, I know it's pag host ka sa secret portal is 100%, pero pag hindi ka host 10% lang. Chance. Okay, this is the secret portal. Guys, this is a secret portal now. See? Okay. Try to get shiny unit, bruh. Guys, wish me luck to my friend. Wish me luck to my friend. You know. Wish me luck. Wish me luck to my friend. Sana makakuha siya, guys. I wish 10% chance lang. Kahos. I pray for my friend, bro. Please, Gabe. And beg. Sana makakuha siya, Gabe. Game, please. Please, game. Please, consider my friend. Okay? Not me, my friend. Okay? Let's go. Please. Gojo. Gojo, Gojo. Gojo. Please. Please. Please, game. I'm begging you. Please. This is my friend, you. She needs a unit, bruh. Strong unit. Please, game. I'm begging you. Okay? I'm begging you. I'm begging you, game. Oh my god, game. Please, I'm begging you, game. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Okay, let me see my units. Okay, that's fine. Okay, add natin pa si Natsu para meron tayong extra unit sa ating para may extra damage tayo sa boss. Okay, okay, wish me luck. Oh my goodness. This is take a while, guys. You know, it's wave 13. Oh my god, this is take a while. Ang tagal-tagal nito. Ang tagal-tagal nito. Wala. Yun, pre. Bro, para lang may ma-upload ako sa YouTube. Ay, it's blurred, bro. Okay. Okay, i-content natin siya, guys. Yes, bigyan content natin ang ating kaibigan. Nakasama natin naglaro ngayong gabi. Bro, no way. Wish me luck to my friend. Talaga, yeah. No, I feel. Yes. I do, bro. Yes. Okay. Okay. Malapit na, guys. 11 wave. This take a while, bro. I think this is 10 minutes also. Yes. I don't know. I know is pag 10 wave lang 4 to 5 minutes lang, ganun lang. This take a while, you know. Wish me luck, aking kaibigan. Yes, wish me luck, aking kaibigan ko. Sana makakuha ka, 'di ba? Sana makakuha ka bukas sa aking kaibigan ko. Sana makakuha ka. Ako kasi, I already have, guys. This is too secret, you know. It take me 1 day and a half to get this 2 unit. Yes. 1 day and a half. From this update. This Sanjinwo, I take some 5 hours lang, guys. Hindi ko man siya napiti. Ichiko, guys, mga 46 na ata PT, guys. Yung mga like PT ko 46. Wala mang atang ano. I don't know, basta ito, PT ko siya ng 17 go Sanjinwoo. Ito, PT ko siya ng 46. Yes. You hear me, right? Okay. Okay. Limang wave to go before this end. Okay. Sana shiny, you know, shiny. Okay, try my luck, bro. Try my luck, okay? Pero I think it's not. You know, itong update naman, guys, maganda siya. Maganda. Hindi ko naman pagkakaila. You know, I love tower defense. Yes, I love tower defense. You know, I play AB in... I play anime adventure in... OG kasi ako dun eh. May mga unit ako dun na OG. Lalo na yung event ni nung anime adventure na Christmas. Ang hirap nun, ang tagal. Inabot ata ako ng 1 buwan nag-grind pero nothing. Yes, nothing. No Aizen. My health, bro, my health. And my electricity bill. Yeah. Yeah. I'm using my phone to macro. Yeah. Overnight macro. Okay, this is the last one wave to go. Last one wave to go before wish me luck. Be luck, bro. Wish me luck. Okay, this is it. This is it. Guys, yung PT ni Megumi is sa banner 25 million. Hindi ko pa nakukuha yan. Oh, C. Gojo guys, Gojo. Ito ang Gojo natin. Wala. Okay. Next na, next. Next na. Next. Next, next, next. Okay guys, wala siyang nakuha. Okay, I think di naman na this take a while talaga. This is matagal talaga to. Is mean matagal siya talaga. Ako kasi binilang ko to eh. Mga naka 200 ata ako na portal. Bago ko nakuha yung suko na. Siyempre matagal yun, 200. Ang tagal. 'Di ba? So, masabi. Ang tagal nun. Ang tagal nun talaga. Putik na yan. Ang tagal nun. Chinek ko lang kung naka-record pa ako. Baka hindi kasi naka-record. Diba? Nakakahiya naman. Yeah. Naka-record ako. Oh my god, please. Just give me my friend a secret portal. Devs. If you can hear me, just give it to him. Give it to him. Okay? Give it to him. Yeah. Give it to him. Give it to him. Devs, I'm begging you. This is take a while. Yeah. Matagal pa to. Okay, let me see how many minutes I spent in this portal. Okay. Makikita nyo na kung ilang minuto tayo. Nakastay sa portal. Okay. See that? Let me see how much minutes I spent for this. See that guys, 2 minutes. Calculate yun. Calculate nyo na lang yung 200 portal time sa 2 minutes. Tagal-tagal to pero worth it i-grind guys. Worth it. Worth it siya, worth it. Kasi guys, matagal na talaga akong mapag-grind talaga sa mga tower defense. Mga ganun. Tagal na. Pero hindi ako nag-expect na tatawag yung aking friend, you know, ay mag-chat sa Discord na magpapa-carry. Bro, na-meet ko siya sa Discord, guys. Na nag-chat na sino yung gusto mag-carry sa kanya sa tier 13. Siyempre, umag-agree naman ako. Pampalipas ng oras ka no, diba? Yeah, that's true. Okay. Okay, 2 minutes. Less than 3 minutes po tayo nasa isang portal. Calculate po natin yun. Calculate. Okay? Okay. Okay. My friend unit is, let me see. Okay. She have a Frieza, bro. Okay, okay. What else? Oh, he have a Chahin, bro. In the solo leveling. Okay. Ano pa ang kaibigan kong unit? Also, see my unit, guys. Okay, papakita ko sa inyo. Ang aking Sanjin Woo na naka Pamparis. Damage is 24k. CDR or cooldown 12.25. Range is 82. Yung health niya 134k. Okay, next. Okay, this is my OP unit currently in this update. Okay, this is my Ichigo na naka Eternal. Ang buhay ni Ichigo is 255k. Okay, sabihin natin 156k na po. Ay, 256k na po. Tapos ang kanyang total damage is 25k. Okay, tapos okay. Okay, check my friend chat. If he gets a secret portal. Okay. I don't know. Hindi ko na alam pang ilan na to. Oh, I forget. Nakalimutan ko po kung ilan na po ang portal natin na nagamit. Yes, ilan po ang ating portal na nagamit. But I think this is fine. Bro, guys, my friend is standing on the top. She's AFKing now. Oh, I fell in, bro. I'm going to fail. Yeah. Just this is my friend's name, okay? Just remember that, guys. This is my friend I helped on this game. Yes, that's my friend I helped in this game. Oh my god. Guys, suggest kayo ng game na lalaruin ko. Yes, suggest kayo na game na aking lalaruin sa susunod na magre-record ako. Okay, guys. Yung sakto lang, guys. Hindi ako masyadong familiar sa Roblox. Yes. Hindi ako masyadong familiar. Yes, I play Roblox, I think 2001. Yes, I played Roblox in 2020. Yes, 2020. 2001 to live. I played Roblox 2020, but I'm never familiar of any game. You know, I play like Blackspoot, Anime Adventure, like that. Yeah, King Legacy, ganon. Bro, I miss AA. I want to come back to AA. Bro, all my units, all my time. Yes, all my time to spend. That's sa laro yun. I miss the memories. You know, all my friends playing. Sama ko naglalaro. Gabi man o umaga, diba? Yung feeling na di ka nag-iisa. Yung magkasama ka, ganun, guys. Pero suggest kayo ng next game, maglalaro tayo. Yes, maglalaro tayo. Tas comment nyo na rin yung username nyo para makapaglaro tayo. Ma-add ko kayo, diba? Para ma-add ko kayo. Yes. Yan. Nag-AFK na lang kami dalawa nakatayo. Naghihintay na matapos ang wave. Okay. I think pang ilan na kaya kami portal dito, guys. I don't know. Okay. Upgrade ulit ang Bulma. Dating gawin. Ang ating gagawin, magpe-place lang tayo na magpe-place. Hanggang mamaya. Yan. Tapos, auto upgrade natin ang ating Bulma. Yes. Auto. Yes, auto upgrade natin ang ating Bulma, guys. After na max ang ating Bulma, auto upgrade natin si Sanjingu, Ichigo, and Gojo, and Sukuna. Yes. You heard me. Yes. You know, this is my start of my journey, guys. This is my second video. Yes, this is my second video na may voice ako. Yung first video ko, guys, wala mang voice. Ano lang siya, literal na may edit na onte. Pero sabi natin wala. Pero may onting edit. Diba? Yes. May onting edit na walang edit. Gets nyo? Tapos sa complicated situation, sasabihin mo ng may edit na onte pero wala mo. Diba? Guys, this is my first time to do this. Yes. First time to record my voice in this game. To record, okay? Don't judge me. If something wrong to my video, I'm starting, bro. Okay? That's my friend. She's waiting. Yes. She's waiting. Devs. I'm begging you, devs. Just give me my friend. Oh. Yes, give me him. Ay, bigyan nyo siya ng secret portal. Para makapag-start na rin siya ng journey niya dito sa larong to. Okay. Hindi mo. AF King, bro. OMG. Okay, we got nothing. Okay, next. She's AFKing, guys. Next. Okay. Let's go. I think short video lang to, guys. Maikli lang siya pag in-edit ko. Hindi siya yung mga 10 minutes siguro, guys. Baka mag 10 minutes siya, ganun. Siyempre, first time ko. Pero sana maintindihan. Yes. Bro, recording to, bro. Oh my god, guys. No. OMG. Ang tagal. Okay. Okay, not get nothing, bro. It's kinda hard. Okay, I understand. How hard is this? But bro, stop it. Okay. Yes, this is kinda boring, you're right? Grain of tower defense is kinda boring, but it's worth it, you know. Oh, why she's leaving? Oh my god, OMG. Okay, guys. Okay, I think this is the end of the video. She's leaving. She leave me alone. Thank you for watching, guys. See you. See you. See you next time. Bye.